Then all you have to do is let go of your cardboard cutout and let it fly. By just kind of put it behind your ear like this, it magically grows. Go. Oh!
What is happening?
See ya.
Don't you? That is not cool! Evan!
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. I've got my lovely daughter, Ava, with me today, and we are showing you 7 magic pranks that you can do for summer.
Like summer vacation.
So if you're ready, hit the thumbs up button for us, and let's go! This first one is a really cool underwater magic trick that you can do in the pool this summer. Check it out. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple. I'll teach you how it's done right now. The secret to this one is our Wonder Bubble magic trick that we have available at EvanEraTV.com. There's a link in the description if you want to pick one up. It comes with this clear solid glass bubble. All you have to do is go beneath the surface of the water. You're going to conceal the ball in your hand just like this. And as you blow bubbles out, you're just going to push the ball right out there into your fingers. The Wonder Bubbles trick also comes with a container of bubble solution to pull this off outside of the water. And you make it look like a soap bubble turns into this glass ball. Or you can do it in the pool this summer and really freak out your friends and family when you turn an air bubble into a solid glass ball. Okay, I have a challenge for you. So I have an egg here.
Okay.
And we also have this door. So the challenge is, can you grab the egg, can you hold the egg through the crack in the door? Like through the crack in the, like where the hinges are?
I grab the egg.
Yeah, you like stand on that side of the door, I stand on the other side. You see if you can grab the egg.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's try it. All right, give it a shot.
Yeah.
See if you can hold it.
I will. Just put it, hold on.
It's a raw egg, be careful.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Nice. Good
Hey,
job.
I did it!
All right, I'm leaving now. See ya.
Don't you? That is not cool! Evan! Oh, I'm gonna have to drop it!
Bye.
You can't do that! No, seriously, come back. How am I supposed to get it? Evan! Oh, it's gonna go everywhere. Ugh.
So the secret to this one is pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna challenge them to put their fingers through the crack of the door and see if they can hold the egg. And the entire prank is that you just leave them holding it like that, and they really have no other option but to drop it because they can't move it up, they can't move it down. So they have no other way to get away than to drop the egg.
So then I have a challenge for you with this card.
All right, I'm up for the challenge. What is it?
Okay, so on this wall here, we're gonna see if when I put this above your head, if you can pin it to the wall when I drop it with your head.
Pin it to the wall with my head.
Yes, when I drop it.
All right, I'm up for the challenge. Let's do it. All right, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Tell me when to go.
Go. Oh. Oh, I just headbutted the wall. Oh. Is that the prank?
Yes.
Okay. So obviously the prank here is when you drop the card and they go to stop it with their head, they're gonna headbutt the wall. I do want to advise you, be careful. You could get somebody seriously hurt here if they hit their face on the wall. But have some fun with it this summer. It's a fun thing to do when you're just hanging out at home. Okay, Ava, I have a really cool trick to show you with this drinking straw right here. You can see it's a normal size straw, yeah? Check it out, it's normal, isn't it? Standard straw there, yeah? Okay, check it out. I'm going to take the straw like this. You see something kind of magic happen. Watch, if I just kind of put it behind your ear like this, look. It magically grows into a giant straw. Just like that.
Can I keep it?
You may. The first thing you're going to need to set this up is a giant inflatable straw, and your first step is to blow up the giant inflatable straw. Now once you have the giant straw inflated, you need to get a little straw, a normal size straw that matches your giant straw. Kind of like this one right here. You also need someone to be hiding behind the person that you're performing the trick for to hand you the giant straw. So you can take the tiny straw, hand it over their shoulder, and it looks like it just magically grows into a giant straw. Just like that. There's no place like home. Okay, here's what you need to pull off this awesome prank at home. We have a cardboard cutout of Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz.
There's no place like home.
You also need some balloons. The next thing you're gonna need is some helium. You can get a helium tank at your local store and fill up some balloons with helium. Now your next step, once your balloons are filled with helium, is to take them and affix them to the top of the cardboard cutout using some tape. So you're just gonna take some tape and stick your balloons in place just like this until you have enough balloons to create some lift. Then all you have to do is let go of your cardboard cutout and let it fly. So the idea behind the prank is people see it floating through the sky and they think it's a real person attached to balloons. And depending on how many balloons you add, you never know how far it's going to go. Where'd she go, Ava? Not in Kansas anymore. All right, V, as you know, it is summertime and we've had a real lack of rain. It's gonna be a drought. So I'm gonna see if I can use some magic to summon some rain. Check this out.
What? What are you doing? What? Stop! Are you kidding me? What? How are you doing that?
The secret to setting this one up is a hose. You're gonna have a hose on the other side of your house and you need somebody to turn it on for you. So your first step is to get your hose and you wanna switch it from spray all the way over to stream. So when you turn it on, it shoots out a stream of water just like that. Then all you have to do is get your mark to stand in the exact place where you know the water's gonna hit and have your partner in the prank turn the water on cue. It will create a magic rainfall and it kind of looks like it's just concentrated in one place, kind of like the movie The Truman Show. So you just make sure your friend is hiding on the other side of the house so that your mark doesn't see them. The water will arc up over the house, create the magic rain effect. Looks like you just summoned rain, like you have control over the weather. Try it out this summer and prank your friends and family. First step to setting this up is to get your ceiling fan and make sure it's in the off position. You're gonna take some gummy bears and sit them right on top of the fan. You just wanna spread them out on the fan blades just like this. So now that you have all the fan blades covered with gummy bears, your prank is all set up and you just need to leave the fan alone and wait for somebody to come into the room and flip the switch to turn the fan. It'll start to move, the gummy bears will fly off and it'll seem like it is magically raining candy inside the house. It's a super funny prank to pull off this summer when you're just hanging out around the house. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up and share it with somebody you think might like it as well. If you like the show, please help the channel grow. And be sure to check out EvanEraTV.com. That is our online shop. We got these really cool abracadabra t-shirts, a lot of laugh at life gear, sunglasses, magic tricks. Check out the link in the description down below or at EvanEraTV.com. And it is giveaway time. We are giving away all the magic tricks from this video. If you want to win any of the magic tricks in the video, leave a comment in the comment section down below and give the video a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to EvanEraTV. Creating a YouTube account is free and it's a great way to keep up with all the channels that you love watching. So create a YouTube account, subscribe to EvanEraTV, and turn on the notification bell so you see all of our videos. And it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. If you won that giveaway, be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave your comments down below. Then all you have to do is let go of your cardboard cutout and let it fly. Put it behind your ear like this, look. It magically grows. Go. Oh!
What is happening?
Good job.
Hey, I did it!
Alright, I'm leaving now. See ya.
Don't you? That is not cool! Evan!
Hope you guys are having fun this summer. Ava and I definitely are. Be sure to check out the last episode of How To Magic right over there. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Check out the shop and grab some merch. Support the channel. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.